Every year, millions of foreigners come to Vietnam. Some arrive as tourists. Others come for work or to explore business opportunities. Many plan to stay only for a few weeks, a few months, or perhaps a year. But something unexpected often happens. They stay, not because they have to, but because they discover a country they genuinely enjoy living in. For many, Vietnam becomes more than a destination, it becomes home. Ask long-term expats what they love most about Vietnam, and many will mention the people. Vietnamese people are known for being welcoming, friendly, and relationship-oriented. Over time, many foreigners stop feeling like visitors and begin feeling part of the community. Combined with excellent food, modern cities, improving infrastructure, international schools, private healthcare, and a relatively affordable cost of living, Vietnam offers a lifestyle that surprises many newcomers. For professionals and entrepreneurs, it's a place where career opportunities and quality of life can exist together. For many foreigners, Vietnam eventually becomes personal. Some meet their future spouse. Some start families. Others build lasting friendships or become deeply connected to Vietnamese culture. When your future becomes connected to a country, your priorities change. Instead of asking, "How long will I stay?" you begin asking, "How can I build my future here?" After living in Vietnam for a while, many foreigners begin seeing the country differently. Not as tourists, but as entrepreneurs. They notice growing industries, changing consumer behavior, and business opportunities. Some consider opening a consulting firm. Others launch technology companies, education businesses, import-export operations, or professional services. Living in Vietnam often becomes the first step toward investing in Vietnam. Vietnam's economic growth reinforces that decision. Foreign investment continues to increase. Consumer spending keeps rising, infrastructure continues improving, and the middle class continues expanding. For many entrepreneurs, these trends create confidence that Vietnam is not only a great place to live, but also a promising place to build a business. As commitment grows, investment often follows. Whether it's starting a company, joining a partnership, or launching a long-term project, many expats choose to establish a permanent business presence in Vietnam. Of course, building a business requires more than a great idea. Foreign investors need to understand company formation, investment regulations, business licensing, work permits, tax and accounting obligations, ongoing compliance requirements. The entrepreneurs who succeed over the long term are usually those who prepare the right legal and business structure from the beginning. At LTS Law, we regularly work with expats, entrepreneurs, investors, startup founders, and international professionals who have chosen Vietnam as part of their future. Many arrived for reasons that had nothing to do with business. But over time, they built careers, families, relationships, and eventually businesses. Whether you're considering company formation, investment licensing, or long-term business operations in Vietnam, our team can help you build the legal foundation for lasting success. If Vietnam has become more than just a destination for you, book a consultation with LTS Law. Because for many foreigners, the journey begins with a visit, but it ends with a life, a business, and a future built in Vietnam.